Welcome to another quick Uniview software tutorial brought to you by ACS All CCTV Supply. Today I'm going to show you where to find and how to download the Uniview EZTools software. You can use this software on any Windows PC with Windows 7 or newer to gain access to your cameras, your NVR, or your hard drive information for maintenance purposes. Any installer is going to need this tool if you're going to install Uniview technology. We will begin by opening our browser. Today our browser of choice is Internet Explorer, though I've had luck with many other browsers in the past. I'm also going to be searching with Google, though Bing works just as well. You can find the software a number of ways, a few of which include going into Uniview's website and navigating through various pages, or just Googling the name of the software. But for the sake of convenience, I am going to leave the link in the description below. It'll always be the first listing. Here we are, with much more information, many things for you installers to read. The tools will be found right here on this page. Once installed, you'll be able to open it, and it will look sort of like this. You've got a disk calculator and many other things to go over on another video at a later date. Thank you for watching. If you have a recommendation for another security tutorial that we can cover here at ACS, please let us know in the comments below, like, and subscribe.